I'm rolling.
Okay. Yeah, can you tell me your name?
Greg Nichols.
Okay. And is this your first time?
No. This is probably my fourth time here. So we do it I come every year.
So evidently it works well for
It
you.
works very well for me, yeah.
Can you tell me some of the highlights this year?
Some of the tax strategies and things like that I don't normally get to be exposed to. That's what I like about it. I get exposed to a lot of things that I don't normally get to see in my line of work in my particular business.
So if you were going to recommend this meeting to someone else, what would you tell them?
It's a good deal. It's well worth it.
Thanks very much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Just a second. Got to get it on camera.
Oh, great.
Can I have your name and your company?
Steve Huber, Prater, and Henson.
Okay. And is this your first time here?
No, I've been here, it's probably my third or fourth time here.
Oh, wow. So I gather you like it. Has it been going? Has it been worth
It's a
it?
very good seminar, very well run, yeah.
And can you tell us some of the highlights, some of the things that were most valuable to you?
The education. And the speaker at lunch was good too, but mostly the education.
Great. If you were going to recommend this to some of your friends, what would you tell them about it?
I would just tell them it's a great seminar, the CPE is good, and it's very inexpensive.
Great, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Okay, we're rolling. Can I get your name and your company?
My name is George DeCourcy. I'm with UT Dallas.
Oh, UT Dallas, great.
We're one of the sponsors
You're
here.
one of the sponsors here. Well, can you tell me, you've been here before, obviously, I gather.
I have been here a number of times before, yes. It's a great event, though. It's wonderful to come out here and see all these CPAs and get some CPE credit while you're here. But the knowledge is great, and that's why I'm here.
Of today's events, what were some of the highlights for you?
The luncheon was a real great highlight. I mean, the speakers were great, and John Cornyn was good to see, and so it was quite a nice event. But all of the separate events were great as well. You could kind of pick and choose, create your own curriculum of what events and what knowledge you wanted to grab while you were here.
Can't get better than that. Thank you, sir, very much. I appreciate it. Can I get your name, please?
Yes, I'm Sandy McLemore. I work for a commercial metals company. The session today here on the CPA event was very valuable. There are a lot of different presenters, a lot of people that have sponsored the event, and it's been very beneficial because there are so many different aspects of accounting, whether it's the global representing the IFRS or other aspects of the accounting profession. And I think it's important because we need to stay on top of things, not just from a professional standpoint, but also from a personal standpoint as well.
Well, let me ask you, what do you think were the highlights this year?
Oh, heavens. Definitely the updates on the IFRS. I think that's very important. Whether or not that ever comes to fruition for the United States, who knows? And then I don't know, there were several other presentations that I attended, but there were also a lot that I wasn't able to attend because you've got like 5 or 6 presentations going on at one time. So anyhow, for me, I attended those that I felt were essential for my needs, and I'm sure that others probably benefit from, things that are related, whether it's estate planning or just personal IT-related items for cloud-type sessions in the IT area, but accounting for the standards and SEC reporting, all that's important. It's just very widespread.
Great, thank you for your comments. I appreciate it very much.
Thank you.
And can I get your name and company and all that?
Yeah, I'm Reggie Hopkins with Hopkins & Associates, a certified public accounting firm.
Excellent. And is this your first time here?
No, actually it's my 4th time. I missed last year, but I'm excited to be back again this year. So
what were the highlights for you? What did you think were the best parts that were most valuable to you?
Well, one of the things I work in, I primarily do work in the governmental not-for-profit sector, and to be able to have a track that really kind of handles that non-for-profit area, has been most beneficial from my standpoint.
So if you have friends who are CPAs or in business of any kind, what kind of things would you tell them about this, and would you recommend it to them?
Well, first of all, because we have to have a certain amount of continuing education every year, you can't beat $35, okay? And so the lunch alone, I think, is worth that, okay? But just to be able to have the connections with other CPAs and industries to hear kind of what's going on from a number of different perspectives makes a tremendous difference. So,
excellent, great response. Thank you very
all
much.
right.
I appreciate